Hello, friends. This is just so I know you're following and there's no confusion whatsoever. So type in your answers below and I'll mark everything. Today, we'll be focusing on the 24 consonant sounds. At the end of today's lesson, you should be able to list the 24 consonant sounds. I'll show you an easy peasy method to achieve that. Secondly, it's not enough to list. You should be able to attach sounds to each symbol. Lastly, give at least one example for each consonant sound. Are we together? Very good. Let's continue. Now, to write the 24 consonant sounds, please take note of 16 English letters and 8 strange symbols. Very important. So, this is what I mean. These are the 16 English letters that make up the 24 consonant sounds, and these are the 8 strange symbols that also form the 24 consonant sounds. Here they are all together. So you can see number 1 to 16 are regular English letters. But don't forget, they are sound representations that look like letters. So number 1 is B, not letter B. Number 2, D. Number 3, F. Number 4, G, not letter G. Number 5, H. 6, K. 7, L. 8, M. 9, N. 10, P. 11, R. 12, S. 13, T. 14, V. 15, W. And 16, Z. I call the ones in color red strange because they don't look like the English letters in color white, but they are consonant sounds as well. So number 17, ch, 18, sh, 19, v, 20, f, 21, j, 22, j, 23, 24, y. Don't worry if you are not getting exactly the sound I'm making. I'm going to be attaching examples to each sound symbol so you would know exactly what I'm saying. Now, to write the first 16 consonant sounds, we'll attempt writing letters A to Z. Meanwhile, our consonants must be void of A, E, I, O, U, as well as C, Q, X, Y. The reason is because these are vowel sounds. And here, anytime you hear the sound K, this is the sound representation. Let me show you what I mean. In these examples, even though we have letter C here, the word is cat, and the first sound you hear is K. So to transcribe, you can see we have the K, A, T. It's the same with kettle. The sound we can hear is K. So we represent it here with this symbol, like that. Here we have queen. Even though it's letter Q, the sound we can hear is K, queen. So we have the K as a representation. So let's continue. So no letter C, Q, X, Y. Also, no A, E, O in our consonant sounds. So let's list A to Z, starting with A. So let's start with A. So we skip letter A because it's a vowel sound. We write B. We'll move to D, A, B, then C. We skip C and write D. We skip E, F, G, H. We skip I, J. Letter J is part of the strange 8. I'll explain it later. K, L, M, N. We skip O, P. We skip Q, R, S, T. We skip U, V, W, we skip X, we skip Y, and then we have Z. The lesson would have to be in 2 parts. See you in part 2. Thanks for listening.